Hi everyone, my name is Shelley Darling and I'm the founder of Evolutionary Dowsing, and I'm excited to have the opportunity to share what I'll be offering at the Dowsing convention. So the title is Dowsing for Key Lines, or Key to Restoring Resonance. And to really understand that heart resonance, understanding that is the keystone for our conscious return to wholeness. What is our relationship to the land, and specifically with key lines to the house, how that house just might have attracted you or your client for that opportunity to understand some piece that you're needing to move into a more dynamic relationship with your soul design. And so this has been something that has evolved in my experience. I spent 12 years studying emotional integration and learning the processes of how to slow down enough to feel what it is that's necessary to step into our greater joy. So I look forward to sharing that with you. New Hampshire is such an incredibly beautiful time during the summer. And the Dowsing Convention is one of my most favorite experiences. We're really getting to meet people who are really expanding their consciousness and understanding dowsing as a tool for transformation, as well as a tool for looking for water and minerals and things like that. So blessings to you. Look forward to seeing you there.